To request payments using Zelle and split a payment, start by ensuring you have the Zelle app on your mobile device and that you are enrolled with Zelle through your bank or credit union. If you have not already done so, you can download the Zelle app or visit your bank's website to enroll. First, open the Zelle app and navigate to the Request Money tab. Here, you can select the contacts you want to request money from or enter the email address or mobile number of the person you want to request money from. Next, enter the amount you are requesting and add a note to explain the purpose of the request. This note is important as it provides context for the payment. If you want to split a payment, you can request money from multiple people at the same time. For example, if you and your friends are splitting a bill, you can request a portion of the bill from each friend. After you have entered the amount and added a note, review the request to make sure everything is correct. Then, confirm the request and Zelle will send a notification to the recipient. The recipient will then receive a notification with the request and can choose to accept or decline the request. If they accept, the money will be transferred directly into your bank account. It is essential to only use Zelle to request money from people you know and trust, and to never use it to request money from strangers. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle. Although typically there are no fees to send or receive money, by following these steps, you can easily request payments using Zelle and split a payment with friends or family members. This can be especially useful for shared expenses, such as splitting a restaurant bill or rent. Remember to always use Zelle responsibly and only with people you trust.